When I make my breakfast like this, there's nothing left. Let's start our recipe by grating a large peeled potato. We will also need 150 grams of ham. Cut this ham into thin slices. Put all the ham and potatoes into a bowl and stir well. Tell me where you're watching us from so that I can thank you for following our recipes. We'd love to know. Now add 1 egg, 4 tablespoons of flour, 1 pinch of salt, 1 pinch of black pepper, and mix again until smooth. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving our recipe. Then like the video and share it with your friends. It will help us a lot. To continue with our recipe, we will need 3 egg yolks. Separate the yolk from the egg whites this way. In a frying pan, add margarine. After that, with a tablespoon, add 3 portions of our mixture in here. Adjust each portion well and make a small hole in the middle. Try this recipe at home and then come back here to tell me what you think. I'm sure everyone will love it. Now in each hole, add 1 egg yolk, cover the pan with the lid and let it cook on minimum heat for 5 minutes. After this time, uncover the pan and turn it over to brown the other side. And our recipe is ready! Easy, quick, and delicious! I really hope you enjoyed our recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye!